Hello everyone! I am Diane Medina. Do you want to have your own online superstore with lots of built-in products? At may chance pa kayong i-grab ang aking mga produkto. Join us now and be one!
Do you want to know my secret to stay fit, healthy, and even sexier every day? Just go to myonestore.net/Diana. And for more business opportunities and more products, go to b1world.net. Cheers!
Hi, my name is Aiko Climaco and watch out for my One Super Shop.
Kayo sa One Network E-Commerce at magbenta na kayo ng mga products ninyo sa store ko, sa Joro Store. At mag-invite pa tayo ng mga friends natin dahil ito na ang next big thing. One Network.
Hi, I'm Maui Taylor. Do you want to be a part of the biggest online shopping community in the Philippines now? Well, guys, no need to wait further. You can join us at One.
Hi, my name is Chanel and watch out for my online store soon. It's called Model on a Budget and it'll be also directly linked to my blog Model on a Budget as well. So come join and shop! Ingat!
Hi, this is Pooh. Watch out for me sa One Shop Super Shop.
Hey, what's up? It's Rico Rob Blast. Be one with us. What are you waiting for? Do it now.
Dahil malapit na magbukas ang Dennis Padilla Store dito sa One Network. Lahat po ng pangangailangan nyo sa inyong buhay, meron ako. Baka nga, pati nga puri ko, ibenta ko na rin eh. Pero sa huli pa yon. Abangan.
This is Ray Guevara of the Meralco Bonds. Please visit my online store soon. Join us. Be one.
Are you the one we're looking for? Tara, let's join one.